Sell me this pen. We have heard it several times, we have watched it in different businesses, and also we have faced to this situation in the job interviews. But in this video, I want to tell you what is the difference between old-fashioned sales school for selling a pen and also the modern method sales, which are totally different. If you want to sell something, do not go through the old-fashioned sales school because they are expired. Nobody would like to buy from the people who put pressure on them. All people would like to buy from the people who make empathy and also who has built trust and rapport. How? In this video, I will tell you both methods. The first is old-fashioned sales school method, and also the second one is the modern sales method, which we need to know it and also use it every day. Thank you for watching this video, and also if you like this video, thumb up, like it, and share it with your friends, family, colleagues, everyone who wants to be a better version of themselves in business, sales, marketing, and closing deals. And if you haven't subscribed in my YouTube channel yet, please do it right now. For sure, in this channel you could find the best contents in business, marketing, sales, and closing deals. First, let's try the old-fashioned sales school salesman. May I ask you, how do you write? By a pen? Okay. What kind of pen do you like? What do you think about this one? This is a very well-known and good brand pen, which most of the people, luxury people and rich people, know it, and almost all of the rich people are using it. At least they have one of them in their collection. While you are writing by it on a paper, its ink is playing on the paper. It's really smooth, and also you are enjoying while you are writing or signing. Why you are not trying to make a signature on your next agreement by this pen? Look at the golden ring, look at here, and also the brand, and look at the black color. It's really great. Look at the dimension. Its dimension is exactly what you need. If you would like to put it in your suit pocket maybe, or maybe you would like to have it in your hand. Yes, if you want to have it on your desk in your office, it would be the best choice as a pen. Okay, question. What was your feeling? I am pushing you to buy. Let's try the second method, which is based on building trust, rapport, and also empathy. And the more important is, I am not going to put any pressure on you as a salesman. I am going to help you to find, and I want to make it a bit spicy with the storytelling. Let's see how is it going. Hey, how are you doing? I always read your posts, and also I follow your social media. Especially last week you had a very great post about sustainability. It was amazing. Yes, actually it was a new approach, I think, a new aspect to the sustainability and how could we save the earth for the next generation. Yeah, I'm sure you type it, but I'm curious, do you use pen also for writing something or for maybe signing something? Yes, all of us use pen also. Yes, daily. May I ask you, how often do you write? Daily? And how often do you write by a pen? How often do you write by, for example, typing in your laptop maybe? 50-50. Wow, great. What about signing an agreement? For sure, yes. Electronic signings could work sometimes, but yes, pen most of the time. And what kind of the pen do you like to sign with, or maybe would you like to write with? Okay, interesting. It seems that you know many things about the pen, and also you are very interested in pens and writing by pens. I have one pen and I would like to share its story with you. It has a story, very interesting story. Actually, in 2015, James, who was a young but with a very big idea in head, decided to buy this pen. While he had very big idea in his head, but with an empty pocket, didn't have enough money for buying this pen. Then he decided to borrow $80 800 euros to buy this. It was amazing that 3 months later, when he bought it, he signed the first agreement by this pen, which changed his life forever. Yes, forever. And he faced a new lifestyle while he was raising in the business day by day. 3 years later, his cousin came and asked help from James because he knew that James was really successful in the business, and his cousin was asking if James could help him in maybe business idea, maybe any opinion, or even any advice. James had only one advice. He asked his cousin, go and prepare 800 euros and buy this pen. James' cousin was shocked. Are you joking? Actually, now I'm here for an advice or maybe a business idea or something that could change my business, my life, and you are asking me to prepare, maybe borrow some money and buying only a pen? James said, if you want my advice, do my advice. This is exactly what I ask you. James' cousin first were thinking that maybe it's not very wise decision, but while he was trusting James 100% and he knew that James always has been right, decided to borrow or maybe prepare 800 euros to buy this pen. It's interesting to tell you, 3 months later, he changed his life with signing an agreement exactly with the same pen. Yes. Last week, James' cousin contacted me and asked me to sell it to a gentleman who has big idea in business and would like to make a big change in his life. He is a gentleman who has big idea and also would like to start a business and is waiting for really great agreements to sign with it. Maybe 3 months. Hey, is it your story? Why you do not take your pen home? It's yours. Okay, now let's compare two different kind of conversation in selling a pen. How could I expect my prospect, my customer, to be persuaded and convinced to buy it because it has a golden ring? It could write really smoothly and also its ink could dance and play on the paper. But in the second scenario, I made a story for it. Story sells, always story sells. People would like to have story. People would like to have the products which has its own story and history. If you want to sell something, first of all, try to listen to your customer, that what your customer want to have. Then try to customize your solution based on your customer prospect would like to have. Storytelling is what could sell for you. If you want to get skillful in selling and be a good salespeople, salesman, saleswoman, try to be skillful in storytelling. Every business, every product, every people, everything in the world has its own story. It is our art and skill to explore and understand the story, customize it based on our customers' need and expectation, and try to sell their product. Yes, this is exactly the modern sales method which could sell for us. How could you sell your products based on the storytelling? What is the story of you personally? Your business, your product, your solution. How could you tell your story, your history to your customer prospect? How could you make a good relationship between your prospect or customer and your product or your business story? Comment below. Tell me about your experiences in storytelling in the business and how could you close a deal by storytelling, by focusing on the benefits by focusing only on what your products have and also your customer need. Making your product based on your customer want and your customer expect. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video if you like it and share it with your friends, family, colleagues, everyone who wants to be a better version of themselves in their business, sales, marketing, and closing deals. And don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel if you haven't done it yet. Thank you.